In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Gmail to Monday.com step by step. If you want to automatically create items from incoming emails, send emails when a status changes, or trigger reminders based on dates, this integration will save you a ton of time. I'll walk you through the entire setup process so you can get it working in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board where you want the Gmail integration to work. This is important because integrations in Monday.com are set up at the board level. Once you're inside the correct board, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Integrations button. It's the small puzzle piece icon. Go ahead and click that to open the Integration Center. Now that the Integrations window is open, you'll see a search bar where you can browse all available integrations. In the search field, type Gmail. As you type, you'll see the Gmail integration appear in the results. Click on the Gmail integration to open the available automation recipes. Next, you'll need to choose an integration recipe. Monday.com provides pre-built automation templates called recipes, and these determine what action will happen and when. Some of the most common Gmail recipes include: when an email is received, create an item; when a status changes, send an email; and send an email when a date arrives. If you want incoming emails to automatically turn into tasks on your board, choose the recipe that says, when an email is received, create an item. If you want to notify someone when a task progresses, choose the status change option. Click on the recipe that best matches your workflow. After selecting your recipe, you'll be prompted to connect your Gmail account. Click the Connect button. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to link to Monday.com. Make sure you're selecting the correct Gmail account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Google will then ask you to grant permissions. These permissions allow Monday.com to send emails on your behalf or read incoming emails, depending on the recipe you selected. Review the permissions and then click Allow to continue. This step is required for the integration to function properly. Once connected, you'll return to Monday.com where you can customize the integration settings. For example, if you chose to create an item from incoming emails, you may need to map the email subject to the item name column and the email body to a text column. If you're sending emails based on a status change, you can customize the recipient, subject line, and message content. Take a moment to configure these fields so the automation works exactly the way you want. After everything is set up, click to activate the integration. That's it. Your Gmail account is now successfully connected to Monday.com. From this point forward, the automation will run in the background based on the trigger you selected. If you ever need to edit or disable the integration, you can go back to the integration section of your board and manage it there. And that's how you connect Gmail to Monday.com step by step. It's a simple setup, but it can dramatically improve your workflow by reducing manual work and keeping your communication organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.